The Paubea 7D Head Shaver Kit is a versatile grooming tool, boasting a 6-in-1 functionality that includes a rotary shaver, hair trimmer, and 3 limit combs, in addition to a massage silica gel brush, facial cleansing brush, sideburn shaving, and nose hair trimmer. This electric razor uses advanced PGI-Tech Process with upgraded 7D rotary floating blade heads that increase the contact area with your skin, automatically adapt to the contours of your head, face, neck, and jaw in all directions, resulting in a faster and cleaner shave. The Paubea 7D Head Shaver Kit is both waterproof and washable, allowing for easy cleaning under a water tap and the flexibility of wet or dry shaving. Charging is quick and convenient via USB, providing up to 60 minutes of cordless shaving time per charge by only about 1.5-hour charging. The shaver features a smart LED screen that displays the remaining battery capacity, reminding you to recharge when the battery is low. It also includes a security lock feature, which can be activated by pressing the power switch for 3 seconds, preventing accidental activation and providing a layer of protection.